what's up? Okay, so now we are in Petitenget. Actually, I'm here with Damian. It's still hot and Damian is still lazy, and then he's in the behind me. He's in the restaurant. It's called Mano Beach House, but I will show you guys how it is inside because it's super hot and Damian already melted actually. So yeah, this is how it is our day in Petitenget area. So now it's 4:30 p.m. and then like I told you, we are in Petitenget Beach and it's still hot. So yeah, Damian is somewhere there, still chill and having drink. So I'll show you how it is in the restaurant inside.
By the way, as you see, so busy here, full house, everywhere are people around, as you see, everywhere. Cheers, honey. And meanwhile, check this out, that's how it looks. Pretty cool, right? Never been here. That looks really not so bad.
So here we are. I'll show you the place where we chill for today. Nice vibe. Oh, so today is quite busy. So nice. Almost all the seats are taken. Beautiful. Hello. And also they have a live DJs before sunset. Nice. Look at this. Nice. So look at this place. Beautiful. Damian enjoying his radler. Hi honey. So it's very nice place.
Alright, so we are just after having a still radler in this place behind us. To be honest, I don't really understand the hype. It's so busy over there, but I really don't know. I was first time.
And then too many smoking people around us, so that's why I decided just go. Yeah. So this is how the Petitenget Beach today. So we will show you.
Quite busy, as you see around. But I will show you now.
So yeah, wow! I can say that this Petitenget Beach so busy. So people having a picnic on the beach and many sellers, lumpia sellers. Yeah. So now we are walking, heading to the Kudeta area because last time we are already in Potato Head. So now we are just heading to the Kudeta.
Heading to the Kudeta, and meanwhile I would like to notice as so many people, but 95% of people who are here, they are local people and local tourists from different islands of Indonesia. Obviously you can see that, yeah, that's how it look like, and will be beautiful sunset one day soon. No, in half hour. By the way, it's so hot, and look at this small kid with the hat what my mama put on me when it was winter, minus 30 degree. But that's the local Asian thing, not even local, but just Asian thing, as it's just called for the local people in Southeast Asia, I mean. And that's how it looks around. Sayang walk. Honey, you have 2 beers la, cheers. And yeah, the hotels. This is the place over here actually where is this four coconut trees. That's the famous La Luciola or something like this. At least somebody asked me last time if it's open. Unfortunately, it's closed, as you can see from the fence outside. That's just for the special request. Also here, kids playing in the small private pool, what you can make by your own in the ocean. And That's how it look like. The vibe and stroll on the Petitenget beach. Also over there, I think this one, that's the Oberoi Hotel, very famous and one of the oldest hotel in Sanur with the long story.
Not in Sanur, honey, in Seminyak.
Yeah, sorry again, in Seminyak. You know, my heart is in Sanur. Something like this. So Oberoi in Seminyak, and they also have an Oberoi in Lombok, if you're interested about the topic. And yeah, the beach is so wide and so calm and so beautiful. Check this out, the waves, sayang, sunset in few minutes. Alright, so this one is actually Legian Hotel, the Legian Hotel. It's called like this, but it's in Seminyak, but it's called Legian. And I read somewhere as this is one of the best hotels in Bali from some rankings, but I'm not sure, I never been there. And yeah, but that's how it look like. We are heading into Kudeta direction over there.
Okay, so we've got email from one guy from Portugal. So he's planning to come to Bali, and he heard that in the news that there will be 14 days, 2 types of quarantines for those foreigners who want to come to Bali. I mean, like 14 days quarantines or 5 days? Well, actually based on the news that I've got, if you are coming from Pakistan, Philippines, Bangladesh, Argentina, Turkey, Brazil, Malaysia, and then Sri Lanka, Nepal, quite many, Thailand, Italy, Singapore, Iran, UK, United States, and Saudi Arabia, you need to have a quarantine for 14 days. And also for those Indonesian citizens who just travel from India and South Africa, they also need to quarantine for 14 days. 14 days. So other than that countries, so they only just quarantines for 5 days in Jakarta. It's good information for you guys if you plan to come to Bali. So make sure which country you are from. So let's say like you, Lim, MG, or other fellas who coming from Singapore and Malaysia. So whenever you come to Indonesia right now, you have to have 14 days quarantine.
And here we go, just next to this one. Actually, this hotel is the Seminyak Beach Resort in Seminyak. And just next to it, where is the red umbrellas over there, is famous Kudeta. Also Kudeta have a lot of stories. We was there already once or twice, make a vlog there. So if you're interested, you can watch it, but we will show you around. Meanwhile, enjoy the beautiful sunset. There are some domestic tourists here on the beach, as you see around. Meanwhile, beautiful sunset's gonna be just in few minutes. So stay tuned, don't switch off the video yet. And here we go, this is the world famous Kudeta Seminyak, for everybody who are missing this place or never been. Or just would you like to be in here right now, right here? Comment below also what do you think about this place, and if you have you ever been there? Have you ever been here actually? And that's how it looks, the vibe around the beach also. And over there is Seminyak and Legian, and it's actually quite pretty busy over there. I can already see so many people walking on the beach. Oh, here also is not so quiet actually, really not so bad, and the beautiful sunset just becoming now. So cool vibes, right? Have to go. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about Seminyak vibes. Is Seminyak right place for you? And here we go, such a beautiful sunset and beautiful waves, beautiful vibes. Just simply beautiful. I hope so you're not getting bored with my sunsets shots, but check this out, this is so beautiful, isn't it? Woo. And like this.
So after being in the beach, we decided to have a dinner in one Vietnamese restaurant. Nowadays Damian is really craving Vietnamese food at night. So this area is still in Seminyak. Let's see, they have a very special price.
Here we go, that's how it looks, the area. I forgot the name, actually many businesses here are closed, but here we go, this is the name of the place. Bo Bun, discount 30%. Somebody also arrived here when you're washing hands. Never been here, we will see how is it inside. And that's how it looks, the place inside. Not so busy. Sayang. Pretty cozy place. We will see how's the food. Meanwhile, we're still waiting.
So our food is here, and Damian is happy with the pho.
I got my beef bowl, 12-hour roasted, cooked, very nice.
Okay guys, I think that's all our video today from Seminyak Petitenget. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you.
Bye.